Hello, in this tutorial I'll show you how to cancel Audible Autopay. Alright, so the first thing that I'd like you to do is to launch your preferred web browser and launch your Audible account, sign in using your account credentials. So once you're signed in, just go ahead and select your hover over your username at the top of the screen, click on membership details, and it's going to take you right into your membership details page. So this is where you can view and manage your Audible membership. So on the account details page, just go ahead and review your membership information. I'm not a member, but if you are, you're going to find your membership details here. So review your membership information and check your next billing date. This actually helps you to confirm when Audible is scheduled to charge you again. If a membership is billed directly by Audible, you can cancel it from this page to stop future automatic renewal. So right next to your membership, look for the cancel membership option, click on it and just click on select membership to begin. Select cancel membership to begin the cancellation process. Now, Audible may show you information about your membership or offer you alternatives before you cancel. Read the information displayed on each screen. If you still want to stop the automatic payment, continue selecting continue to cancel or the equivalent cancellation option shown on the screen. Keep following the prompts until you reach the final cancellation step. When Audible asks you to confirm that you want to cancel, complete the final confirmation. Do not stop at an earlier screen or simply close the browser. Make sure that you reach the final confirmation that your membership has been cancelled. Alright, so Audible will send you a confirmation email after the cancellation is completed, and your membership status on the account details page should reflect the change. After completing the cancellation, return to your account details page or your membership details page. Check your membership status and billing information to make sure that your membership is no longer scheduled to automatically renew. So that's it. You have now successfully stopped the recurring membership payment. So go over the tutorial from the top to the bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and once you've done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped you search.